Hi, sixth graders, happy Monday. This week you're going to be starting out the week doing some notes, and then you're just going to have a choice of some different activities that you can do to show me that you're understanding the material. Okay, so today for Monday, you're going to start out by watching this video. Then you're going to start the notes. So to do the notes, you're going to click here. And you can choose to either print this out and fill it in, or you can just do File, make a copy, and you can type in your answers on there. This is not something that I'm collecting, okay? That is for you so that you will be able to complete the next activity. So for the notes, you are going to fill those notes in while watching this video right here. This is me going through the slideshow, so I explain things a little bit better. I would suggest using that form versus just the regular slideshow so that you can get a little bit more of an explanation, okay? I did, there's a video clip that's about 4 minutes long that I reference in the video. I didn't have time to put that in the video that I made, so watch that one as well. And then here's a link to the slideshow that I'm going through in the video, but I would suggest to use this video instead of just looking at the slideshow for the notes, okay? Once you're finished with that, on Tuesday, you are going to start the energy choice board, so finish up the notes if you need to. So I have another video explaining everything on the energy choice board, so I'm not going to explain it very much in this video, but what it is you'll click on it, and it will open up this slideshow. And so you have some different choices of some different activities that you can do, okay? And so some of them are worth 5 points and some of them are worth 10 points. So you want to make sure that you have a total of 10 points. So either 2 5-point activities or 1 10-point activity, okay? The other video, this one right here, explains each of those activities and how to complete them. Okay, so you're going to work on that, started on Tuesday, maybe watch this video of directions and kind of pick which ones you're planning on doing and maybe get started. And then Wednesday through Friday for the rest of the week, you're going to work on finishing your activity. Now note that I have 3 days scheduled, probably 3.5 days for you to be working on this. So it might take you close to an hour to do, and that's okay. All right, so you'll be working on that, and then to submit that energy activity, you will click on the Google form, and I talk about how to do this as well in the video up here, but this is where you will submit it on this Google form, okay? And then make sure you hit submit and try to get those finished by Friday, all right? Remember, I have office hours between 9 and 11 if you have any questions, or you can email me at any time and I will respond to you. Have a great week.